Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed in seconds, medicines are designed with pinpoint precision, and treatments are personalized down to the last molecule. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this could soon be our reality, thanks to the mind-bending world of quantum computing. Welcome to the Biotech Studio, where we simplify science and amplify minds. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of science lovers who are curious about the future. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting frontiers in both technology and medicine, quantum computing. So what makes quantum computing so revolutionary? Unlike traditional computers that process information in bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits. This strange phenomenon, known as superposition, gives quantum computers a level of parallel processing power, and then there's entanglement, where qubits become mysteriously linked, allowing information to be processed in ways that defy our usual logic. The result? A computational engine so powerful that problems once thought unsolvable might be cracked in moments. Now, let's talk about medicine. One of the biggest challenges in drug discovery is predicting how a molecule will behave inside the body. Right now, researchers rely on trial and error approaches and supercomputers that simulate chemical interactions, but the complexity of these systems is mind-boggling. This is where quantum computing steps in. Because qubits can explore countless possibilities at once, quantum algorithms could model molecular interactions with never-before-seen accuracy. Imagine being able to design drugs for cancer, Alzheimer's, or even rare genetic disorders not in years, but in weeks. That's the power scientists are chasing. But that's not all. Quantum computing could completely transform personalized medicine. Think about your DNA, 3 billion base pairs of genetic information that make you unique. Processing and analyzing this huge dataset is already a challenge for today's computers. Quantum systems could analyze genomic data much faster and identify subtle patterns linked to diseases. This means doctors could recommend treatments based not just on general protocols, but on your exact genetic blueprint. A treatment designed precisely for you, with minimal side effects and maximum impact. That's the dream of precision medicine. Another fascinating application is in protein folding, one of biology's greatest puzzles. Proteins are the workhorses of life, and the way they fold determines their function. Misfolded proteins are linked to diseases like Parkinson's, cystic fibrosis, and many cancers. Traditional computers struggle to simulate folding in all its complexity, but quantum computers could unravel these, and the impact goes beyond curing disease. Quantum computing could accelerate vaccine development, optimize hospital operations, and even reshape medical imaging. Picture an MRI scan that not only captures your anatomy but predicts potential health risks with quantum-level precision. The possibilities are endless, and they're not confined to the lab, they could soon be part of everyday healthcare. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Quantum computing is still in its early stages. The machines are fragile, require extreme conditions to function, and scaling them up is a massive engineering challenge. But just like classical computers took decades to evolve from room-sized machines to the smartphone in your pocket, quantum computers are on their own trajectory. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and startups around the world are racing to bring practical quantum systems to reality. And when they do, medicine could be one of the fields most profoundly transformed. So here's the big question: are we on the verge of a healthcare revolution powered by quantum mechanics? The signs say yes, and the first breakthroughs may happen sooner than we expect. What's clear is that quantum computing isn't just about faster processes, it's about reimagining how we approach some of humanity's greatest medical challenges. If you found this journey into the future of medicine exciting, imagine how much more there is to discover. Quantum computing is only one piece of the puzzle, and here at the Biotech Studio, we'll keep exploring the. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and drop a comment telling us what medical breakthrough you'd love to see quantum computing make possible. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, because the future of science is closer than you think.